Okay, so last time we cooked a rabbit with beer. Today we aren't gonna cook with beer, but we always need the beer. So for Father's Day, I thought it would be a good idea to do some French bakery. And when it comes to bakery, please be very accurate with all the measures. So I will put it in the comments. Here we have 250 grams of liquid, half butter, half water. I'm sorry for the gram stuff. You poor English. And we have 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of flour, flour. We'll have 2 pinches of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 3 to 4 eggs, depending on how humidity stuff, you see. So let's get started. What I've done is I just cut the butter in small pieces in the liquid, so water and milk, and gently heat it until it's just start to softly boil. I mean, not a big boil, it's just some nice bubbles. Then we will add the salt, the sugar, and the flour just once, at one time. Okay, a pinch, une pincée, just pinch. And 2 pinches, 2 pincées of sugar. So what we're going to do is to add the flour at once, just one drop, and mix it very quickly. Off the fire, very important. Off the fire, add the flour, mix it, then again on the fire, so that you get rid of the humidity. It starts to boil. All right. And then we'll be ready. Okay, see that? What's the color done? Don't fear, it just started, very sticky, like into a bowl. Then slower the heat and back on fire. And you can see how the humidity, just 1-2 minutes. You don't want it to burn, so be careful. Like it's good. Okay. Cut the heat. Now let's get serious. We're going to add the eggs one by one, and you can wait a few minutes until it cools down. Then we are going to add the eggs one by one. 3 eggs, maybe more, depending on the texture. When it's alright and you take off the spoon, it's just like a spike which goes down very slowly. If it doesn't make a spike, add more eggs. If the spike goes down too fast, you just added too much eggs, and It's fucked up. All right. So when you add the egg, just mix it, and you will see it will separate. You know, oh, we might just say, oh, I fucked it up. No, no, no. Keep on mixing it. Just keep on. All right. Another egg. I break up one by one, just in case. My grandma, she had chickens, and we used to pick up their eggs in the morning, and maybe one of them might be rotten, or you know. So we used to break it one by one in a bowl. I keep on doing this. See? Keep on turning, mix, 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 mix. Okay. I think we're going to 4 eggs because they are small eggs. See how it reacts? You think it's broken or whatever, and it turns back into a bowl nicely. Just keep. Okay. Yeah. See? It's another one. Oh, when you get the small pieces, just use it. Oh. We have a saying in France, you don't make omelets without breaking eggs. Okay. I think maybe another one. I think I need to add half an egg. To do that, just take the egg, break it, mix it, and just add 1/2. Oh, maybe too much. We'll see. There are different quality of flour depending on how thin they I don't know the word, the melt, the grain. So this one is T45, so it's quite very thin grain, if I understand well, and so more gluten, so it's more sticky. I think this is alright. That's good. So quick. I'm not sure. I'll try anyway. Now, what we are going to do is just to form these charming little balls, which we call choux. So you only need 2 spoons. You can do with some kind of a plastic bag, which you can cut in one angle, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know if that really makes sense, but you can do it, you know, only with 2 spoons. So we're going to form up the choux, but Don't let them be close to each other, because when you will cook them, so will double their size at least. So something like this. The choux are ready to get coated with 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of milk. It will give them a nice color, you know, just like a lacquer, I don't know the word or everything, and nicely brown. When they will be cooked, I will just slice them and stuff them with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and a chocolate topping. And you can as well put chantilly inside. I will make another video for this, or whatever. You can as well, instead of using a mix of milk and water, only use 250 grams of water, and then once you're done with the pastry, you can add some bacon in it, for example, or herbs like don't know, basil, maybe garlic, whatever, and it's a very nice appetizer. So now it's alright for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay, 11 will be alright. Okay, so you see, or maybe you don't. So they have reached twice that size, so now I'm gonna just stick it so that the humidity will get off. Alright. Alright.